in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable location access for your web browser on your Chromebook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Chromebook web browser and select the menu icon up at the top right, and then go down and select Settings. On the left panel, select Privacy and Security, and then on the right side at the bottom, select Site Settings. Underneath Permissions, you want to go ahead and select Location, and then you can allow sites to ask for your location or not, basically. So you can go ahead and enable that by selecting sites can ask for your location. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.